Hello guys, this is Neeraj. I'm from IIT Kharagpur and my roll number is 20CS30012. And as a part of my second DIY project, I have made this in Tinkercad. This is a toy and this is a car, and this whole circuit can be mounted on a plastic board, and these four DC motors, when attached to some plastic wheels at the top, serves as a wheels for that car. And this is how the overall circuit looks like. I have used two ultrasonic distance detecting sensors and four DC motors. The main thing is Arduino Uno board and a breadboard and these connecting wires. And to see how voltage changes, a voltmeter, a multimeter, which is set into this voltage reading as thing. So the concept goes like this way. Initially, this board starts moving forward, and whenever it hits, encounter an obstacle which is less than 25 centimeters distance, this automatically detects this front ultrasonic sensor automatically detects that, and this back to motors immediately stops, and this front two motors immediately starts spinning, so that this whole complete car moves backward until it again detects an obstacle which is less than 25 centimeter by this back ultrasonic distance detector sensor. If it encounters such thing, again it reverses the direction. So this is how this interesting car made, and the underlying code goes this way. You can see, yeah, wait. I have taken two variables, back and front, and these represent back distance measured by the back side ultrasonic sensor, and front distance measured by the front ultrasonic distance sensor. And the code is set front to read ultrasonic distance sensor from trigger pin A1. Yeah, you can see we have three terminals for each sensor. One is 5 volt, one is ground, and one is signal. This ground sensor, this ground terminal is connected to the ground of the Arduino Uno board using this breadboard, and this 5 volt is directly connected to the 5 volt output pin, and the signal is the front ultrasonic sensor signal pin is connected to analog pin A1, and the second ultrasonic sensor signal pin is connected to analog pin A4, and these back two DC motors usually share the same voltages, and these two front DC motors share the same voltages, and we can see how, yeah, these all are shorted, these all are shorter, so these all are at same potential. And yeah, this is how the code looks like, and I have converted this code to text format and copied it and pasted it in Arduino IDE edited and compiled it. This has shown no errors. Yeah, let's start simulating this. Yeah, you can see that this back motor is running at a speed 3846 rpm. That's quite high, and these two front motors are not actually moving, and that's because the distance is 105 centimeters, and whenever the back distance falls below 25 centimeters, this front two will be started moving. Yeah, let's start this simulation, and this is how this works. That's quite good, right? Yeah, thank you for watching this video.